Family Tech 101. I'm Ahmed, and today we're gonna be having a little bit of a longer video. So I bought this security camera. It's the Blink X2, and it's made basically by Amazon. Well, it's a security camera, and the main reason I got it is because I've been having some issues with my packages not getting delivered. Well, somebody's basically taking them from front of my door, and I thought, well, I don't want something very expensive, and this fits the bill, and so I can put it on the door, and if there's someone trying to grab something, I can at least have some notification and know who they are. So yeah, I got this Blink X2 camera. This is gonna be a video about unboxing it and setting it up step by step. We're just gonna go through this together. To be honest, I haven't set up one of these at all, so we'll just gonna have to find out what's gonna be like. And so yeah, let's get started. So I'm just gonna grab my trusty knife over here, and let's just cut on the wrapping. All right, should do the trick. I'll get you through the specification of this camera as we go. As you can see from the front, it's a really simple camera. It does have two-way audio, 2 years battery life, and day and night HD coverage. And supports Alexa, and there's some pictures over on the side, and well, this tells you to be alerted if there's anybody there. This is the one camera. I just wanted to try it, to be honest. I don't know the quality, so we'll see how it goes. I don't really need something fancy. I just need some alert if there is someone in front of my door picking up my stuff. So this is like a quick preview of the features it has, and it has no monthly fees as well. So we'll cloud storage up to 7,200 seconds. Oh, that's really nice, especially when it's a budget camera. You don't want to pay monthly fee. So let's just unbox it and see what's inside the box. Oh, I guess it's oh, okay. Oh, it's upside down. Let's just see here. So what do we get here? That's the camera itself, and yeah, and this basically tells us to lift up the cover, and yeah. So this is the camera itself, and let's just put it aside and see what else in the box. Let's take this. I guess this pull here. It's this manual, and I'm assuming some sticker. Thank you for purchasing. Oh, there is the sticker. Yep. And that's the hub that basically controls the camera or cameras. If you want to add more, so as you can see, it says Blink on it. It has the USB power. And this is the QR code to set it up. And yeah, really nothing interesting here. Let's see what else. This is I'm assuming the USB cable and the power brick over here. All right, and let's just see. We have a couple of screws. I'm assuming this is the mounting bracket. So, oh yeah, this is definitely the mounting bracket. Basically, screw this to the wall. Claps like this, and I'm assuming the camera goes in here. Okay, let's just put these aside. We're not gonna need them now, so put them here in view. And they're nice of them. They include batteries as well, which is some of this aside. Energizer batteries. That's really cool. All right, let's just put them aside and see now what do we have in terms of how do we set it up. Usually setting up these cameras are not very hard. Again, this is my first time owning one, so I'm going through this just as you would do, my guys. So I don't think it's gonna be very hard. First thing first, let's just remove this, and yeah, that's the USB cable. And basically it goes to the power over here. Just plug it here, assuming, yep, goes right in. And I'm just gonna plug it to my computer right now to turn it on. Yep, there's power in it. And I'm just gonna go grab my iPad to basically download the app to control it. So right now I'm on my iPad. So I'm just gonna search for the app. By the way, you can obviously download the application with the phone as well. So just gonna hit Blink. I'm assuming there should be some sort of oh, there it is, Blink Home Monitor. so it's hard to navigate the iPad through the camera. Just gonna hit get. And sorry, it's just gonna cover up my email. That's it. And just gonna wait for it to download. And there's the app. Just gonna click on it. Obviously, first thing first is just basically ask you to log in or create an account. I don't have an account, so we're just gonna create an account. And as from there, it's really easy. You just select your region and then you go from there. So we'll just do, I guess, United States. And so I'll set up the account and I'll get back to you guys. After creating the account, basically ask you to what thing do you want to set up. So we're just going to select the Blink. Oh, now it's requiring us to scan the QR code that we talked about, which is this one here. Just gonna put it behind the camera. Hopefully this is gonna work. All right, scanned it. So create a new system. What does it say now? A system of group camera can be armed, disarmed, scheduled together. There's a limit of sync and module per system. Okay. Let's say home. I'm assuming this is just a name. Hit done. Plug in your sync module. Discover device. Yeah, it's blinking blue, as you guys can see here. So we're just gonna hit discover device. Yeah, we'll hit join. I'm assuming it's gonna sync with my Wi-Fi network automatically. Again, we're going through this together. Okay, unable to join. Check and make sure device is powered on and nearby. Okay, it is powered on. That's weird. Okay, it is powered on and it's blinking. Don't see an issue here. Alright, I'll work now. Okay, now it's ask us, that's my Wi-Fi network. I'm just gonna put in the password. If you don't mind, I'm just gonna put in the password real quick. This is all in real time, guys, so I'm assuming this is basically everybody's experience. And it stopped blinking now. Okay, I guess we're going somewhere here. Just wait for it. Let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, it says connecting. Again, it's not blinking anymore, so that's hopefully a good sign. So I'll have a lot of people who ask me about these cameras and how easy they are to install. And let's say, for example, you go to Best Buy, they do offer like setting up service for these cameras. Prices are ridiculous. I got this camera on sale right now for like 90 bucks. Setting up like a camera like this would cost me another 100. Which I believe everyone who has a little bit of knowledge, to be honest, in using like a computer or an iPad, or as you can see, like I didn't even use a computer, I just used my iPad or an iPhone, or even Android, doesn't really matter, it's just the app. The app guides you through whatever setup there is. You don't really need to, now sync module added to home system. Okay, let's hit done. Okay, now we're cooking. Now it's not blinking, that means it's ready. And it says tap to add a blink device. Okay, got it. So the system is synced. Now we're just gonna have to add the camera. Now let's just remove this. I think we're gonna need it. Just explains, and this says push down. Hopefully this goes in focus. Okay, do I push this like, or do I can't see, struggle. Come on. Oh, I was a little bit forceful there. And oh, another QR code. Okay, let's just pop in the batteries and see how this goes. Assuming just put the battery here, put the second battery. Okay, and with this syncs your module. Tap here to check your status. Okay, I don't need to tap. Let's just hit add. and we're gonna hit the blinking camera. Obviously it's gonna require us to scan the QR code again. Oh, scanned it. Just gonna add the existing. Looking for camera. Is it on? How do I tell if it's on or not? Still looking. Do I like press a button? There's literally, oh, maybe this button? Is a button here? No, that's not a button. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, it detected it already. It's updating the firmware. Oh, now look. There's a light blinks in it. Get the name Blink, get it? Sorry, some dad jokes there. Let's just wait for it to update the firmware. I'm assuming I can put back the cover. Did I not put it right? Okay. Seems to be, oh. Okay, now I feel like I think that's it. It says updating X2. Okay, cameras exclusively added. All right. And got microphone permission, sure. And now let's see. Took me a while to figure out, but basically this is the main screen. If you hit this button, it will take you to the camera interface, like live view. And now you can see here we're live view. And excuse the audio, guys. I'm just gonna turn it off right now so it doesn't bother you. But yeah, and there's two options. There's two options, armed and disarmed. That's basically it. Simple interface. You take a photo over here, you want to add more cameras, and that's about it, I guess. And yeah, I'm home. This is the recording. So as you guys can see, I already recorded 2 videos for me just moving. And there's the settings. You can manage the account and see what's going on with the camera. And there's the setting for the camera itself. I can click here. As you can see, there are tons of settings here. Okay, the battery is okay. The temperature even tells you the temperature, which is nice. Now it's in Fahrenheit. I'm gonna switch it to Celsius. I do not know. Do I? Let's do enable temperature alert. I guess I can't change it from here. Maybe I can change it from somewhere else. There's sensitivity, trigger, activity zones, lots of fun controls you can basically set up the camera for. You can select, obviously, the higher quality will reduce battery life. Upload speed recommended. Yeah, it's fine. Obviously, the highest. Okay. Early notifications, sensitivity. Yeah, seems legit here. And yeah, and I can change the name over here. So yeah, that's it really. That was really simple. Now it's just a matter of me putting it wherever I want, which is basically I'm gonna put it in front of the door. Hopefully this video helped you guys to know how to install this camera, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the camera, please leave them in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. There's always going to be more videos coming. And if you guys want a specific video about a specific product, don't hesitate to tell me. I will grab it for you and do some review on it as well. See you soon on the next video. Thank you.